Hi, it's Jackie Montefiore here, GP from Sante Medical, with another quick 2-minute tip. So, another question I commonly get asked is exactly how much fat should I eat on a keto diet? And in order to avoid giving the annoying answer of it depends, let's just break this down a bit. So, to answer this question, you need to ask yourself, are you fat adapted? If you're not sure what fat adapted means, chances are you're probably not. So if you're not fat adapted, so that would be, you have eaten a high carbohydrate or low fat diet for a long time, you tend to get hangry in between meals if you don't eat often enough. Chances are you're a glucose burner rather than a fat burner. So if that's the case, your first priority is to become a better fat burner. And so in that situation, you're essentially unlimited with how much fat you should eat on a keto diet, and that's starting out. If you are fat adapted, the advice about fat will vary a little bit. So it will depend on how close you are to your weight loss goals. If you're fat adapted and you're still off your weight loss goals, you need to pay attention to how much fat you're eating. It's not like fat will be a free-for-all in that situation. Generally speaking, you're better off eating fat from whole food sources rather than refined added fats because they'll fill you up better. So think of things like fatty meats or avocados. So I'm talking about fats in their cellular form because when they've got the whole cell intact and you eat them, they're a bit more satiating and nutritious. I can give further advice of exactly how many grams of fat you should be eating, and you can book an appointment with me to discuss that, and it will often depend on details to do with your medical history, how you've gone so far, how far you are off your weight loss goals, how tall you are, and whether you're male or female, and in your activity levels, of course. So if you need some extra help or guidance on specifically how much fat you should have if you're fat adapted, you're welcome to book in. Okay, thanks guys, see you next time.